We've been misled by this false narrative that heart disease is caused by cholesterol, and it's not. Cholesterol is actually trying to fix the problem.
Do you think that a high-fat diet could actually fix heart disease?
Yes, I've seen it. Eating a lot of those fats in combination with animal protein, I've seen it improve heart disease.
Dr. PHILIP Ovadia is a world-leading heart surgeon, best-selling author, and international speaker.
What do you think about red meat in the sense of heart disease? Does it cause heart disease?
Absolutely not. 100% red meat does not cause heart disease. It never has. It never will.
When it comes to heart health, most likely your doctor will tell you, eat less red meat, eat less butter, don't eat saturated fat. But what if this was the reason why you were more likely to get heart disease? Is heart disease preventable?
I definitely think it's preventable. You know, the way that I look at things these days, the people that end up on my operating table, each one of them is a failure. But it's not that that person has failed. It's that the medical system has failed them, because heart disease should not get to that advanced stage where you need me to open up your chest and do this, very invasive surgery. And it really shouldn't get to the stage where you even need stents or anything like that. We know what is causing heart disease. We know how to reverse the cause of heart disease. And therefore, it's really inexcusable that we still continue to have heart disease to the magnitude that we have it. You know, it's still the number one killer here in the United States. It's the number one killer worldwide. And it really shouldn't be that way. We've been failed by it because, like I said, this is a preventable disease, and the people aren't getting the information they need to prevent the disease. And honestly, I don't even blame the doctors, because the doctors aren't getting the information that they need to give the people to prevent disease. We've been misled by this false narrative that heart disease is caused by cholesterol. And it's not. Cholesterol plays a role in the process of heart disease, but it is not the cause of heart disease. The cause of heart disease is damage to your blood vessels. And that damage to your blood vessels can be caused by a number of different things, but they're all, knowable and preventable and reversible. So if we focus on what's damaging the blood vessels, that's what's going to allow us to eliminate the heart.
As a heart surgeon, when you actually open up the heart and you're looking at an artery that is in the heart and it has plaque in it, what are you seeing? What is that plaque?
Yeah, and this is what kind of has fooled us, right? Because there is cholesterol in that plaque. There's other stuff in that plaque as well, right? There's people will be familiar with the calcium that occurs in there, calcified plaque. You can see evidence of bleeding or blood clots that have occurred within that plaque. There's lots of stuff that's in that plaque, but we got focused on the cholesterol part of it, and we assumed that we see cholesterol in the plaque, we see cholesterol in the blood. And therefore, if we somehow get the cholesterol out of the blood or don't let the cholesterol get into the blood in the first place, that's going to be the way to prevent the plaque. But it turns out that, again, cholesterol isn't causing the problem. Cholesterol is actually trying to fix the problem. The problem being damage to the blood vessel, and the cholesterol comes to try and fix that damage. And what happens is when the cholesterol itself is dysfunctional, it now causes a further inflammatory reaction. And that's what then starts this buildup that leads ultimately to the plaque. But again, focusing on the cholesterol is the wrong approach. We have to go back a step and focus on what's damaging the blood vessel.
Okay, so when you talk about the cholesterol can become dysfunctional, are you talking about oxidized LDL cholesterol?
We're talking about oxidized LDL. We're talking about the small, dense LDL. We're talking about the VLDL, which is another type of cholesterol carrying, particle. And these are the ones that, cause the trouble. But that doesn't mean that all cholesterol is problematic. When we look at things like large cholesterol particles, large LDL cholesterol particles, that's how the LDL is supposed to be. And when large LDL particles are doing what they're trying to do, repair a blood vessel wall, for instance, they are able to do that and then disappear. They don't cause this buildup of plaque. It's only that dysfunctional LDL and those VLDLs that get stuck in the blood vessel wall and then lead to the plaque formation.